Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Imagine you earn a modest salary every month. After paying rent, food expenses, transportation costs, and household bills, very little money is left. Meanwhile, you see people online enjoying luxury vacations, buying expensive gadgets, and living what looks like a perfect life. At that moment, many people start believing that becoming wealthy is impossible for them. But the reality is very different. Wealth is not built by income alone. It is built by habits, discipline, and smart financial decisions. The first step is developing the right mindset. Most people focus on what they don't have, while successful people focus on what they can build. Your current salary does not decide your future. What matters is how you manage the money you earn today. Many self-made millionaires started with ordinary jobs and limited resources. Their biggest advantage was not money. It was their belief that they could improve their financial situation through consistent action. The second step is creating a strong saving habit. Many people save whatever remains after spending. Instead, successful people save first and spend later. Even small monthly savings can make a big difference over time. Reducing unnecessary expenses, avoiding impulse purchases, and tracking your daily spending can help you save more than you think. Wealth creation always begins with controlling your expenses. The third step is investing regularly. Keeping money in a savings account is good, but investing helps your money grow. One of the easiest ways to start is by investing a fixed amount every month. The amount does not need to be large. What matters is consistency. Small investments made regularly over many years can grow into a significant amount because of the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the greater the benefit. The fourth step is increasing your earning power. There is a limit to how much you can save, but there is no limit to how much you can learn. Developing new skills can open doors to better jobs, promotions, freelance opportunities, and side income. Skills such as content writing, graphic design, video editing, digital marketing, coding, and communication can help increase your income. As your earnings grow, your savings and investments can grow faster too. The fifth step is patience and consistency. This is where most people fail. They start saving and investing, but quit when results don't appear immediately. Building wealth takes time. The first few years may seem slow, but every investment and every good financial decision is working in the background. Those who stay consistent for 10, 15, or 20 years often achieve results that seem impossible to others. So let's quickly recap the 5 steps. First, develop a wealth-building mindset. Second, save a portion of your income every month. Third, invest consistently for the long term. Fourth, increase your skills and earning capacity. And fifth, stay patient and disciplined throughout the journey. Remember, becoming wealthy is not about earning the highest salary. It is about making smart decisions with the money you have and giving those decisions enough time to work. Start small, stay consistent, and keep moving forward. Your financial future can look very different from your present if you commit to the process today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, wealth building, money management, financial freedom, passive income, and self-improvement.